Hey guys, D7 here with Grok Trade, and I am delivering to you a very special edition with cryptocurrency, looking at some stocks of interest that I think you guys who do trade cryptocurrency or are interested in cryptocurrency might find useful. It is Wednesday, Hump Day, January 3rd, 2018. And we're going to start off here with Bitcoin Cash, and I'm utilizing TradingView. TradingView.com is the software program that I'm using here for all you people who are fairly new. And Bitcoin Cash, this is Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Bittrex. And you'll notice I have arrows. My arrows are buy call signals. Oh man, what's this one? That is not... That's a rogue one up there floating around in space. But anyway, these are buy call signals that I have that you'll see on just about all the charts that I do. But these are public for public viewing. And I put myself out there. I say, hey, here's what I think is a sell. Here's what I think is a buy. And I put it out there for the public to make their own judgment. The reason I want the public to judge me is for one purpose, and that's because we have an education program and we teach people how to do this so they can trade their own stocks or cryptocurrencies if they want to. All right, now let's get into this. Bitcoin Cash. We have two trend lines. We are building a huge symmetrical triangle. Symmetrical triangle can be more bullish or bearish because, yeah, that's it. It's just this one could go either direction. The thing that it has going for it right now is the fact that it's popped up, but it's pulled back. We have what's called a bull flag. Even though I got a sell on it right now, this thing could pop. The only thing that worries me with Bitcoin Cash is these upper shadows. We went up, but we had sellers sell into that strength. Up. Sellers sold into that strength. So that's problematic. I would like to see it stay above the blue moving average line. That's a simple moving average. My blue moving average is the 20 simple moving average. You can see that there. It is blue. That should act as support. But if it doesn't, and this could break down, but if you look at it, we had this big run up. We have a bull flag. This could rally, but if it rallies, it's got to pierce through that area of resistance, this big trend line. Okay, the one that I just reviewed recently. This is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is very, very popular right now. It's floating right around 15,000. Right there, it's at 15,000. 14,995. It just was there at 15,000, but we're right there at it. But what we have is this big run up, and then we have what's called a bull flag, but it's a bull flag that's also a falling wedge. So it kind of gives it a bull pennant that's a falling wedge or a flag. These can get really bullish. Yesterday we had what looks to be a breakout. Today we have made a higher high, but it's really hasn't made its decision to take off yet. This 20-day is acting as a good area of resistance. If you can see here, we came over and the 20-day moving average acted as resistance here. It's acting as resistance again. We need to plow through that for this to remain bullish. And this has had quite the run. This has had quite the run going in. All right, GBTC, Bitcoin inventories. If you want to have a good GBTC, gives you is like basically an ETF for a lot of Bitcoin type companies that you can get good exposure here to Bitcoin. But I've got a buy on it as of the 21st of December, and it's just chopping around, moving sideways at this moment. But no, things that move sideways like this can build up strength, and they can pop or drop. That's my phone. Yeah, that's so at this moment, if we can stay above the 20-day, that would be pretty bullish. But anything above the 50-day, the red line, I think is going to be okay with this one. So all is well with GBTC. Let's go to Litecoin. A lot of people asking for my Litecoin thing. So Litecoin, I've been watching this for a little while here. It looks like for Litecoin, my first call was made August 17th. So up, and then our sell, buy, sell, buy. That was a nice one. Whoops. And here we are now. So we go up, 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 up. We have a pullback. We drop, drop, drop. Boom, it pops up. Builds a high base, but instead of popping, it drops. So I had to put a sell on it, and we're dropping lower. We are below the 20-day moving average. However, this could just be this big bullish pennant. As long as it can stay above this area, if it can stay above like this area of support coming across, Litecoin is going to be very good. This is Litecoin against the Bitcoin. This is Litecoin, Bitcoin. You can see that here. So it's under a little pressure as of right this second. But anyway, if this thing starts to move, like yesterday, I had a good chance. It popped, but people sold into that. So I couldn't put a buy on it. If it would have stayed strong, I would have put a buy on Litecoin yesterday. And this is Overstock.com because they take, wow, look at this pop today. This is up almost 11% today. This is pretty good. So Overstock, if you go back in time, let's see, the first time I started messing with this looks like December or September 27th. Got a buy on it. Boom. Goes higher, a sell, but turns around, it's a buy again. Then there's a sell, then there's a buy. And now we're just pulling back here. As long as it stays above the 20-day moving average, that's going to be pretty strong. But there's your nice little pullback, kind of a flag type pattern. And then there's the pop, boom, to the upside. I'm expecting Overstock to keep going higher. Riot is a Riot blockchain. Yesterday I put a sell on it because it broke this trend line, so I can get rid of this now. There's sell, and today it dropped. It dropped by, look at that, 12.7% today, but we're at a support level. You can see support here. We're right at support. It could bounce, so this could be a buy fairly shortly. So we'll have to watch this one closely. Riot, if we can stay above this trend line and stay above the 20-day moving average, that'd be pretty bullish. But right now it's below the 20-day moving average. All right, Social Reality, SRAX. Oh, it broke a support level today. Check this out. So this one, we have resistance, resistance. We have this beautiful symmetrical triangle. And I have a science to drawing these. So you think, oh, I'm cutting off bodies and all. No, no, no. I've been doing this 20 years. Next month, I have this down to a science on how trend lines are drawn. No wiggle room, black and white. And right now, we have a drop. Now, I had a sell on this, what's the date? December 20th. And right here, it looks like it's in trouble. If it stays below this trend line, this thing could fall out of bed and quickly. Be careful with that one. And this is XNET. I don't even know how to pronounce that name. But this one, how far do we go back on this one? Oh, just October 17th, got a buy on it. And then our sell is the November 27th. Another buy, sell, and a buy. So we're good with that. What I like here is this trend line was broken. I must have deleted that line because when, oh man, let me get this drawn correctly. So there it's drawn correctly. When it broke that trend line, put a buy on it, and it's up, up, up. So long as it stays above the moving averages, XNET will remain on my bull list or on my list of buying. Okay, so there it is. If you like it, great. Leave a comment and follow me. Do that. You can find our education at groktrade.com. Click on mentorship and we can help you out. Take care and we'll catch you later. Bye.